Howdy guys. Oh, my battery's almost dead already. How freaking perfect. So it is gonna be a very exciting day. I am going to up north near like King Williams, West Point area up north. As y'all know, I'm in Virginia. I'm like down south kind of in like the Newport News area. And we are going to up north. Well, I'm going up north. We got some stuff in the back for the new truck. And I also have a little thing over there that I have to show y'all when I get back. But yeah, let's go up north because it is going to be one hell of a video. And I'm very excited for the outcome of this. This is only the beginning of the truck build and probably one of the most exciting things already. Like, I haven't even got window tint, but just know that will be coming when I go back down home. Oh, so you're vlogging on the road and one of your camera batteries dies. What do? Oh, you just buy you a 2015 Chevrolet LTZ and it's got one of them little old chargers in it. You just charge your batteries on the go. I don't know why I just said that or in that southern accent, but we are going up north. Don't worry about that. That's I'm charging him for rent, by the way. He should be gone in a couple days because I'm charging him out of the ass. What you make it, always try to give, don't ever take it. Life is what I need, it's what you make it. Gonna be an exciting video. So right now we have wheel lights from Adrenaline Off-Road. These are RGBWs, so it's red, green, blue, and white. Wheel lights from Adrenaline Off-Road. I'm going to talk a little bit more about them in a second. And then we have LED RGBW rock lights from Mictuning. Both of these companies will be down in the description below. So if you want to follow them on Instagram, you want to hit them up, you want to see if they have what you're looking for, which I guarantee they both of the companies do, hit them up. Like I said, everything will be in the description below. Are we putting both of these on tonight? We're putting both of these on tonight. So by the end of the night, maybe tomorrow morning, you will see what they look like. I am very ready to see what they look like myself. Adrenaline Off-Road, they sent me a couple stickers and a couple lanyards, so shout out to them for that. But these are single row, they're not flows. They are RGBWs, as I've said before, made out of aluminum, pretty high quality stuff. They don't have the regular like plugs where you gotta solder or anything. They literally just plug right into each other and then you screw them down and they are good to go. And then I haven't even opened this box yet. These are Mictuning's rock lights. I have 8 of them. They sent them to me, so I'm very excited to see what these look like underneath the truck. So I got in contact with Adrenaline Off-Road and they actually sent these out to me for free to test them. I'm very happy with the quality that I've seen so far. So Adrenaline Off-Road is giving y'all a chance to win a set of these rock lights, or these wheel lights, I'm sorry. These right here that I'm about to put on my truck that I'm gonna show y'all how to do and what they look like when the process is all finished. We're going to do a giveaway for these on Instagram. I'm reading through the comments right now. Me and him were texting. So on Instagram, you're gonna see this picture probably before the video or the day of the video. I'm gonna post it. So when y'all see it, what we're gonna do is you're gonna have to follow me on Instagram. It's right here on the screen. You're gonna have to also follow Adrenaline Off-Road, which I'll put it on the screen in the description. It'll be on Instagram, so y'all guys just check that out. Then you're gonna tag 3 friends in my photo, and then after that, we'll probably give it a week, 10 days, something like that. And then I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna check and see if you tag 3 people in my photo, if you're following me, and if you're following Adrenaline Off-Road. And then I will personally get in touch with you on Instagram. I will DM you or whatever I have to do and tell you that you won. Then I'll get your address, I'll send it to Adrenaline Off-Road, and then you will have a brand new pair of RGBW rock lights that have a controller, as you can see right here. So they're controller, and I'm pretty sure LED music Bluetooth. So these have LED music Bluetooth and all of that. You can play your songs with it. Like I said, these aren't flows. I don't really like the flow that's the whole thing. The main reason I wanted these was to look like a spaceship. So when I'm rolling down the road, I can run all white and it'll just look like a damn alien coming down out of the sky. So like I said, follow me on Instagram, follow Adrenaline Off-Road, tag 3 of your friends, and then a week after that, we will contact you with that you are the winner. And then once y'all put it on, y'all guys just make sure you tag me in a photo or whatever. That way we can see and I'll put you on my story. Enough talking, let's put these on. It's probably gonna take 2 or 3 hours, but it's starting to already get dark. It's 5:20 right now, but enough talking, let's put these on because I'm very excited for the results. So if you're wondering who's doing this project, it's definitely not me, it's my boy Eli. Y'all might remember Eli, he was at the pit bike race me and Braden went to. We actually met him down there, but he lives in Virginia, probably about an hour away from me. And he has like this whole little business going out of the garage. So what all do you do? Like, what do you sell?
Wheel lights, rock lights, PAs, horns.
Do you install also?
Yeah.
All right, but yeah, we'll put your Instagram right there on the screen, so everyone go follow him. And if you want to, you can DM him. He sells rock lights and PAs and all that fun stuff. Me and him are gonna be the ones putting this stuff on tonight, so hopefully Eli doesn't break anything. And if it does, it'll be right. So we're gonna go ahead and get this started.
Hope Croc sponsors me.
They don't even sponsor me, and I got like 9 pair. Oh, it's a little rusty in there. Wow.
Should have bought a Ford.
Psych. Speaking of shit about a Ford, look at this hunk of junk over here. Look what Eli drives. Spicy. He's about to get a 20. What are they? 28 by 16s?
No, those are 24, but I'm gonna get 28.
He's gonna put 28 by 16s and 40s on this truck. So if y'all guys want to see that happen, go follow him on Instagram. Like I said, it was in there. That truck is very clean. He's done a lot of work to that. And this will be clean one day. I just got to take it back home. I got to get window tint put on it. And we might have a surprise coming tonight, maybe. I don't know if I'm gonna show y'all the process of doing this because it's long and slow and boring, and there's a lot of videos on YouTube already out there. If I do show y'all everything that we're gonna do, this is gonna be probably like a 30-minute video, and I know y'all guys aren't gonna watch a 30-minute video on how to do it. If you do win and you're interested, go to YouTube and type in how to install wheel lights or rock lights. Multiple different videos out there that'll show you in detail how to do everything. The first wheel light is on. Y'all guys can barely see it, but it is right there. I didn't record it because, well, I didn't really want to, and I was hoping Eli put it on. Not really though, but say that I, no, we're not showing them yet.
Keep watching.
So if y'all guys wanna see what they look like, you gotta keep on watching because y'all are not seeing this yet. But the surprise that I was telling y'all about, my buddy Kyle brought over some 24 snowflakes on Gladiators. Boys and girls, whoever watches this video, could y'all imagine?
Dogs, cats.
Could you imagine? We're about to put it on just to see what it looks like.
I think I'm gonna put my wheels on your truck.
I don't know about that. Those look good, and I feel like those would look really good on my truck. What to do. Leave it down in the comments. Would y'all guys like to see reps or offset? I really want to put offset on this truck. I think it would look awesome.
Go find me at Garret Porter.
2-inch leveling kit with like 24 by 14s. Oh, it would look so good. But we're gonna put these on just to see what it looks like. And I don't know, I might change my mind. So leave it down in the comments what y'all think will look better, reps or offset. Well, it is day 2 of this because last night we ran out of daylight and we didn't want to do it in the dark. But all 4 wheel lights are put on from Adrenaline Offroad. They are crazy high quality, how easy it is. You don't have to make the rings, which is even cooler. You just literally just get them out of the box, put them on, bolt them on. And now we're working on the Mictuning, however you say their company, rock lights. So we have rock lights in the back right now, 2 in each fender well, and they are pretty high quality. How's it going so far, Eli?
Not bad. A lot of fucking wires.
I'm excited. I mean, these things are like on here. I'm very excited to see what the outcome is. But yeah, we just have one more rock light for this side, both rock lights for the driver's side, and then we are done. I'm probably going to not pick up the camera very much because Eli's doing his thing and I'm just sitting here supervising, which is what I do best. And then tonight I'll probably pick up the camera and show y'all around what everything looks like. So just stay tuned for that because it's gonna be wild. Don't talk about my hair. I look like a mushroom right now, but hands are dirty, face kind of dirty. Everything is done. Wheel lights are done, rock lights are done. Everything is all ran. Wheel lights are in there, rock lights are in there all the way around. All the wires are ran. You can see absolutely no wires. I gotta pick up all these extra zip ties that we have. Everything is done. Those are way up in there. That way you can't see them when you're rolling. And that is it. We have to go to a buddy of Eli's house we're gonna all like go hang out or whatever. And then we are going to finish it up. We haven't connected anything yet. We haven't soldered anything. So we still have to do that once we get to Kyle's house. And then once we get to Kyle's house, we will wrap everything up. And then I will show y'all what they look like. Peace. Aside from my soul, ladies and nutsacks, it is over. It is done. Get some more light in here as best as I can. It is 8:38 at night. We just got done doing the wires. We had to run the wires through the frame, up through the fender wells, everything. Me and Eli got that thing knocked out. So Eli, I know you're watching this. Big thank you to you, man. I really do appreciate all the hard work that you just put into this. If you are not following Eli on Instagram, make sure to go give that man a follow. Like I said, he sells everything that you could want for a truck. Hit him up on Instagram. He will get you anything. If he does not already have it in stock, he will get it for you and he will ship it out for a very, very good price. And if you're in the Virginia area, Mechanicsville, West Point area, hit him up on Instagram. He will install everything for you if you buy from him. If you don't buy from him, he will still install for you. But yeah, I don't really have anything else to say. This is the final product. This is only the beginning, so I still haven't got window tint. I have a lot of other plans. I'm still trying to get in contact with Oxbeam to have them send me some LED headlights and fog lights, but they're not answering, so I might just have to buy some. But this is just the beginning. So I know I've done talking a bunch of this stuff and blah blah blah. I'm sure everyone's just ready to see it. So here it is. Enjoy the montage, and I will see y'all right after. just like that, ladies and gentlemen, the Chevrolet is on its way. The Chevrolet is on its way. Oh, that's kind of spicy a little bit. But anyway, yes, Adrenaline Off-Road for the incredible RGBW wheel lights. Thank you so much for sending those out. They will be in the description below. Make sure to go order anything from them. I actually have a code down below. So if you want to get $20 off any order over $100, use my code. It's Garret20 right here on the screen. Make sure it is 2 R's and 1 T. That's how you spell my name. 2 R's, 1 T, 20 at the end to get $20 off any order over $100. And another thank you to Mictuning. They sent me these rock lights on this truck, RGBW as well. They're 8-piece, so I have 2 of them in each fender well, all synced up through the phone app. Everything is Bluetooth. You can run everything on your phone, multiple different colors, all sorts of arrangements. Anything you want to do, you can do it through the app on both of the companies. So again, thank y'all for both of those companies to send them out. This is just the beginning of the truck mods, and I am very excited to see where this goes. I actually put some 24-inch snowflakes on the truck just to see what they would look like, and man, let me tell you, I think that is the moves. 24 reps and 35s on a 2-inch leveling kit. I know I'm gonna scrub, but woo! It is gonna look so good. That might be in a future video. I'm not sure yet. I'm still thinking. I don't know if I want offset, if I want reps. So leave it down below in the comments what you think I should get. But I'm going to go ahead and close off this video. It should be out pretty shortly. So when you see this video, go to my Instagram right here on the screen. If you see this truck on there, you need to click more because there's a giveaway that we are going to do for these RGBW wheel lights. So tag 3 friends. I already told you all in the beginning. Tag 3 friends. Follow me. Follow Adrenaline Off-Road. And then I will pick a winner a week after I post the video. So whenever you see the video, the same day the picture's going up, and then right after that, a week later, I am picking the winner. So do that. Maybe you get a chance to win, and I will DM the winner. That is all for this video. I hope y'all guys enjoyed. If you did, leave it down in the comments. Leave a like if you want to. Subscribe. I'm almost at like 65,000, 66,000. I'm like right there, pretty close. Working my way up slowly but surely to 100,000. So if you're not subscribed, make sure to do so, and I will see y'all on the next one. It is not going to take very long, I promise you, because I'm going home October 24th through like the 3rd or something for my birthday, because my birthday's on the 25th. So if you guys enjoyed, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, blah blah blah, and I will see y'all on the next one. Peace.
She's bitchy, she really is though. Attitude's a little bit shit. Wanna take it to the city. She talk shit on girls just for being pretty. Why you like that? From the look that I got, I could tell she didn't like that. Now she wanted me to fight back. Wild as hell, thank God I didn't like that. She got a fat ass though, pretty in the face, but man she's psycho. I still lay pipe though. For a second I was thinking this is gonna be my hoe, but I can't do it, babe. You had your chance and blew it, baby.